Oh, do I look at the camera? Do I look at you, or where do I look?
You just look at us.
Okay.
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, my name's Benji, and I think I'm a pretty normal dude.
Now, supposedly you're able to talk to dogs.
Yeah. Yeah, me and Boomer just hang out whenever we got time, you know? Like, he really likes watching his stories, and he's just a really good dog, you know? Me, but I'm talking to you. Boomer, you can't say that on camera. Hey, yo, Boomer, you gotta check out this new video that little window just dropped. Boomer? Yo, have you guys seen Boomer anywhere?
No.
Boomer.